My dearly beloved family, how are you all doing? As you can see, I am doing good and I know you are doing perfectly well. All right, my wonderful family, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress Channel on YouTube and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So why don't you drop your comment in a very constructive way so that we all will jubilate in the comment section. As you know, I don't understand what to know about this video that you're about to watch, but I do hope you pick some sense from those videos. All right, my wonderful family, let me drop the video so watch it together, and don't forget not to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family so they know all what is going on in the global world today. Right now, let's watch the video and I will be right back.
I can't back on biko onye ọna nọ na social media ebe ọwụna nọ all over the world. Ihe a bụ Ladipo market n'ime Mushi local government ebe ndị Igbo na-azụ ahịa. Ndị amị bịa n'ime ahịa na Panama si na ha goro engine for since last year. Wee bịa ka change ha engine ha go last year. Bido gbobe egbe na-agbatusi ụmụ Igbo. Otusi ụmụ Igbo n'ime ahịa maka na ịchọrọ na Biafra wee gbatuo PRO mụ. Ana m eje ebe ọbara dị.
Oh, my wonderful family, you heard it from the horse's mouth. I just choose to do it this way so that because the noise of the G word will not be heard on the video. If not, it will be accepted by YT. All right, my people, in this video, what did you think about it? You see the rate of injustice in Nigeria. So, my wonderful family, at the beginning of the video, for those of us who don't understand the Igbo language, at the beginning you heard what our brother was talking and he was shouting and crying. Yes, it's because a police officer or a Fulani police officer bought aging from him or from any of the Biafran people or IPOB or Igbo to say or Southeast to say, and after 1 year he came back and said he want to exchange the age to another new one. So who does that? Where is it done? And before they look, earth has gone loose. A lot has happened. There is a lot of shot on them. A lot of people fall down and everybody's just running. Mother will not recognize the child will not recognize mother just because of aging. This is unacceptable. It's only in Nigeria this can take place. To me, this just look like a setup, because if it's not a setup, what is the government doing to stop this? I begin to imagine what is really going on, what is happening, what is all this. This is very, very bad. How can you buy a car engine and bring it back after 1 year? Said you need a new one, you need another one. Does that mean that the person just go to market and buy these things and give to you, and anytime you like you just come back and you need an exchange of it? Who does that? Where on earth does that happen? Unless the agent has guarantee. If it's 1 year guarantee or 2 years guarantee or 5 years guarantee, I don't know. With that you can bring it. And aside that, even if the agent have 20 years guarantee and you use the agent for 1 year and the agent got rust or is locked or is not working or is not functioning as it ought to be, must you damn people? Must you use the G on people? Must you use violence on people? Must you use your rank to intimidate people? In this particular spot that these people they are standing, you can see all of them. There is a bee of one of them, and he was shot down in that particular spot, and he seized his breath. That was why you see that those people they are standing there paying the last respect for their brother. It is so painful. It is so painful. It is so bad. Someone who woke up in the morning and left the comfort of his home and said he's going to hustle to look for daily bread, and this happened. What is your take on this? The government needs to do something about it. In fact, we don't even have a governor, a government, or a president that we are calling to handle this situation. That is why the leader of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, always say this, that a time will come, they will be using the G radically on people. They will not even think of the direction they are using it to. They will just use it because they want to delete the population. They will say the people they are too much. That is why you see this is a little conflict they are trying to cause between the Biafra and the Oduduwa. If you don't know, this is a trick that they are about to use. I am telling you, believe it or you leave it. This is one of their tricks they are planning to use to cause confusion, because they have seen the relationship between the Oduduwa and the Biafra people is so strong, and the love is so strong, and what they think of doing is just to bring a little misunderstanding between them. Because this thing that is happening, some Biafra people will say, oh, it happens in Oduduwa land and all that, but believe me, they cannot do it. The band that lead between the Oduduwa and Biafra is so strong, and I just pray that God see them through. And again, you that your surname is Igbo or any other tribe in Biafra land, and you are denying that you are not a Biafran, this is what is awaiting you. Yes, this is what is awaiting you, because a time will come. These are what they are going to do, because they've started it already, and we just hope that we got our strength before all these things start. As you can see people they are just taking them from the spot where this thing occurred. In fact, I cannot leave the video because the gunshot on it is so loud and it will be accepted. These are people that they are carrying. A lot has been happening. A lot has gone wrong. People are crying everywhere. Oh my word, this is unacceptable. You can see what is going on in where exactly where Igbos are selling their car parks. That is where this thing is taking place right now in Lagos, Mushi Market in Lagos. They will just be saying that you people are in good terms with Biafra. Let us see the friendship between you people. That is what they are just trying to do, because if they want to do something like this, they have other places they can go to. They can go and do it, but they just want a little division between the Oduduwa and the Biafra. That is what you need to know. Now that this thing has happened, I believe that the one Nigeria, you know very well that is no longer working as planned. It's not working. All right, I still remain Agatha Progress here on YouTube. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and remember to share the video with your friends and family to know the latest happening. See you when I see you. Bye bye.